Grand rising, grand rising, grand rising. Grand rising to the warriors, to the people that are standing up, to the people that are speaking out, to the people that have no fear. Grand rising, grand rising. Listen, remember the days of Noah. Remember the days of Noah, when Noah was trying to warn the people that a flood was coming. That a flood was coming, and the people would laugh and say, that old man, what that old man talking about, what flood? And the people would party, like the same thing you see going on now. The same thing you see going on now. The people don't want to hear anything about the flood coming, but we know that a flood is coming. And we know we got to be prepared. We know we have to build our ark, and this is the ark that we're building. The people's party, the people is who gonna represent this. Yeah, so don't feel dismayed, because we can understand how Noah felt in that time when he trying to warn the people. And the people partying, they enjoying themselves. They say, well, we don't know nothing about that, but the flood came, and the flood is on the way. And we are the ones that see it, and we are the ones that standing up and speaking out and warning the people that a flood is coming. You see what happened in Brooklyn and in New York. You see the flood. I was in New York for 40 years and I never seen anything like that. So this is telling you that the flood don't always gotta be water. It don't always have to be water. It could be the politics that you see taking place right now in this country, where the people are being disenfranchised, where the people are being used and abused. That is the flood that is coming. And we are the ones that we have to wake up. We have to stand up. We have to speak out. Don't care how small it may appear. And I like to always use the analogy of the Zulu warrior Shaka Zulu. I always use that, where he was outnumbered. He was outnumbered. The troops was outnumbered. That's how we feel now. That's how we feel. We feel like we outnumbered. But Shaka, in order to motivate that youth, he told them Sagiri. And I would like to hear that from you too. Sagiri means to move forward. Don't care how dismal it may appear, move forward. Sagiri. Sagiri. Move forward. Keep moving forward. Don't look left. Don't look right. Just keep moving forward. The victory is ours. The victory is ours. We know the battle has been won on the spiritual level, on the spiritual realm. The battle has been won. We just have to know we are the ones that just used to have to take advantage of the battle. Know that it is won, and we are just carrying out the last stages of it. The last stages of it we are going to carry out. A lot of us are going to fall along the way. A lot of us are not going to believe that this is happening. A lot of people are not going to believe that the IDs that they're giving us is taking us back into slavery. A lot of us are not going to believe that the jobs they're giving us is destroying us. But we know that regardless of what they say, we are going to believe what is being told to us from inside, from the Almighty God. And it's telling us the God that we worship, the God that we praise, is telling us to stand up. It's telling us to fight. It is time to stand up and fight for your rights. We're not going to just sit and let you do what you want to do just because there's no opposition in the house and you feel like you could pass bills and you feel like you could do whatever you want to do and treat the people however you want to treat them. But nah, we say we are the opposition, and we will tell you what to do. You ain't telling us what to do. Yeah, family, so good to be out here this morning. Regardless of how hot it is, we know that we have to be out here. And listen, y'all should be proud of yourself to get up this morning. Everybody's saying it's hot. Everybody's saying it's hot. Everybody saying, and we say, nah, we going out here and we going to march. And when I see the elderly out here, when I see the young out here, I realize I don't have a choice but to be here. I don't have no excuse to be here but to be here. Yeah. Yeah, family. So yeah, we're going to continue to oppose. We're going to continue regardless of how, as I said, regardless of how small it may be or how large it may be, we will continue to oppose. And we will, what she's trying to bring to Barbados and the Barbados that she is trying to create, we don't want to be a part of that. We already experienced what slavery is like. We are not going to voluntarily go back into slavery again. And that's what this system wants us to do, to voluntarily go back in. And we're not. We say, no, we don't want your IDs. No, we don't want your jobs. We just want to live. We want to live. We want to live. Let me hear you say we want to live. We want to live. That's right. Done with your jobs, done with the IDs. We don't care nothing about that. We care about our children. We care about our elderly. We care about having a place to live. We care about having food to eat. That's what we care about. All your future technology and how you want to create the world, we don't want to be a part of that. And we will never be a part of that. Don't care what you say, we're not going to be a part of it. As the brethren say, only the boxers is jab. So we ain't boxing, so we ain't jabbing. We ain't jabbing. They're trying to come now and tell us about some virus, something somewhere coming, and they already got the jabs ready, and they already got talking about lockdowns, and we saying we are not going for that trick anymore. We are not going for that trick anymore. Let me say we ain't going for it. Yeah, that's right, family. They caught us the first time because we wasn't aware. They caught us the first time, but we wasn't aware. But we see what happened. So if we see what happened, if we see the amount of people that's dying, if we see the amount of people that's sick, if we see these things for ourselves, why would we volunteer to give you our arm again? We ain't giving you this arm again. We're not giving it to you.